Good afternoon. My name is Paulina Pachumi Jamil. I am taking 4th semester of Business Administration, sectional UAT, and then I will talk little about my daily routine in this quarantine and my opinion regarding the coronavirus COVID-19. I currently live with my parents, my sister, and my niece. In the course of the days, we have done different activities. Do not be bored, such as roasting, playing park, cooking different dishes, and most important, sharing as a family and always keeping in prayer every person who fix ends this pandemic so that we can get up and healthy from all this that is happening in the world.
Throughout this time, different things have happened that have led us to reflect on the value of life, on how important it is to share as a family. Since many people cannot because of their father, mother, or any other family member, you have to leave home every day to work in different sectors such as hospitals, supermarkets, transporters, and also high value to every time that we did not used to do. It is time for us to open our eyes and realize that this is not something that happens daily. This has not been lived many years. We have to keep ourselves at home, taking care of us and each of the people who live in our home. Look around you and nothing material is worth now. Your cars, your money, your clothes, your actions do not have enough value as a life has. That's why I invite you to stay home for your family, friends, and others who live in your environment and are important to you. It's time to become aware and high value every time you have ring now. Numeral stay home.